Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Yes guys, VELILE Makhoba is a 21-year-old South African actress and a dancer from Mayville in Durban. She is best known for playing the starring role as Gugu in Mzansi magic drama series Gomora. She was also casted on the new ETV series The Black Door in April 2022. She was born in 2001 in Mayville, Durban in KwaZulu-Natal province. Growing up in Mayville, VELILE fell in love with traditional dance while still in primary school. She was taught Zulu dance and umshado. These cultural forms became her inspiration as they taught her about the history of her culture. Usazakhe udumo na TikTok with her videos in traditional clothes dancing for Maskandi songs from 0 follower to 80,000 followers in a month. Abantu abaningi ke guys, they love young people abayazi